This FlowFX Cat-Back Exhaust system is constructed from 409S stainless steel, direct bolt-on without any modifications, and it clears your factory spare tire. So if you're looking for horsepower gains with a mild to moderate interior and exterior sound without avoiding emissions and your factory warranty, then this system is for you. This kit comes with all necessary parts and hardware for an easy at-home installation and is backed up by Flowmaster's lifetime limited warranty. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.